Okay, besties, let's get into it. Grab your iced tea or iced coffee, pull out all your cute goodies from Shein, Amazon, DHgate, or even my Shopify store, and let's have a little girly FaceTime gossip moment. We're just chatting, sharing thoughts, opinions, and reactions based on what's been going around on the blogs and the internet. Everything here is alleged and for entertainment purposes only. We're keeping it friendly, fun, and super detailed just like we always do. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, babe. It helps the channel so much and lets me know you're here vibing with me. So today we're talking about something a little different, but so relatable: overstimulation, and why in 2025, everyone seems to be craving calm. Like, honestly, have you noticed how chaotic everything feels? Social media, work, notifications, group chats, it's nonstop. That's why the soft girl vibe has become such a huge mood. Think cozy pastel aesthetics, slow mornings, cute journals, bubble teas, and just intentional calm. It's literally a whole mood shift and people are loving it. And then we have ASMR, yes, that soothing, tingly, little whispery sound trend that literally took over 2025. Some say you can't even sleep without it now, and honestly, same. People are turning to ASMR videos, soft-spoken storytelling, tapping, page flipping, and gentle brush sounds just to decompress after a long day. It's not just a trend. It's a whole self-care ritual now. Honestly, it makes sense. Our brains are constantly on overdrive, right? And ASMR gives that instant sensory pause, a moment where you can just breathe and let your mind wander. It's like a little soft girl sanctuary for your brain right at your phone screen. And besties, the best part is you can DIY this vibe at home. Cozy blankets, a warm drink, your favorite journal, and maybe even some soft lo-fi beats in the background. I've also noticed how brands are picking up on this vibe too. From pastel phone cases on Amazon to scented candles and cute journals on Shein, the whole aesthetic screams calm, cozy, and curated. It's literally like living in a Pinterest board but IRL. And trust me, it's addictive. You start noticing your environment more and realizing how little touches can totally change your mood. And can we talk about sleep for a second? Because ASMR has literally become the go-to sleep hack. People who couldn't fall asleep before are now swearing by a nightly ASMR session. From gentle tapping sounds to soft whisper storytelling, it's giving people the kind of rest they've been craving for years. And honestly, I think that's why it's blown up, because it's solving a real problem for us in 2025, chronic overstimulation. So the takeaway? Slow down, create your soft girl sanctuary, and embrace those little moments of calm. Overstimulation is real, besties, but so is your ability to carve out a peaceful, cozy corner in your day, even if it's just a 5-minute ASMR break. And honestly, don't forget, it's okay to indulge in cute little things like journals, pastel mugs, and cozy vibes. It's all about balance and being kind to your brain. Okay, besties. Continuing from where we left off, let's talk about the aesthetic appeal of all this calm. It's not just about feeling relaxed, it's about looking relaxed too. Think oversized sweaters, pastel nails, fluffy socks, and that cute mug you can't live without. People are curating their lives in ways that are not only soothing, but visually satisfying, and trust me, it makes scrolling through Instagram or TikTok so much more calming when your feed is a little slice of soft girl heaven. And it's not just for visuals, the auditory side of things is everything. ASMR creators have taken it to a whole new level in 2025. From soft tapping on ceramics to whispering affirmations, it's basically a full-on brain massage. Some creators even use role-play scenarios like a virtual hair salon or cute cafe chat to make you feel cared for and cozy at the same time. I don't know about you, but it's kind of addictive in the best way. What I find so interesting is how this whole vibe overlaps with mental wellness trends. People are becoming way more aware of overstimulation and burnout and soft girl aesthetics. Plus, ASMR are kind of like the ultimate antidote. It's not just about looking cute. It's about intentionally creating spaces and moments where your brain can breathe. Self-care has really leveled up, and it's super Instagrammable, of course. Also, let's talk about journaling, one of the soft girl essentials. Honestly, nothing screams calm like opening your favorite notebook, doodling, jotting down thoughts, or even just writing a list of things you're grateful for. Pair that with a warm drink and a flickering candle, perfection. Journaling plus ASMR videos in the background is the ultimate chill combo, and it's catching on everywhere. And besties, you cannot Ignore the role of cozy snacks in all this. Think pastel macarons, hot chocolate with marshmallows, or even a little tea time with your favorite loose leaf blends. It's literally a full sensory experience. The visuals, the sounds, the tastes, and the textures all come together to create this little pocket of calm in a chaotic world. You know what's wild? Even workplaces are noticing this trend. People are bringing mini Zen corners into their offices, soft lighting, tiny plants, calming background. Sounds just to keep from feeling overwhelmed during the 9-to-5 grind. It's kind of amazing that what started as a soft girl aesthetic online has moved into real-life coping strategies. And ASMR isn't just for sleep anymore, besties. People are using it to focus, to meditate, and even to boost creativity. Some say the gentle sounds trigger a flow state where ideas just start popping, and honestly, I've tried it, it works. It's like your brain suddenly decides to chill and brainstorm at the same time. Let's also touch on the social media effect. In 2025, soft girl aesthetics and ASMR trends are basically everywhere online. You can't scroll without seeing someone curating their cozy corner, sharing their self-care rituals, or posting a whispering vlog. It's not only inspiring, but kind of contagious. You start picking up little habits yourself, like lighting a candle or trying a new tea flavor just because it looks so calming on screen. Finally, let's end on a little reminder, besties. It's okay to indulge in calm. Overstimulation is real, and the world isn't slowing down anytime soon, but creating these little soft girl, ASMR-filled moments for yourself is a way to reclaim your peace. So grab your journal, your cozy mug, your headphones, and dive into your little sanctuary. Trust me, your mind will thank you. All right, besties, that's it for today's cozy chat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really supports the channel and lets me know you're vibing with me. Drop a comment with your favorite ASMR trigger or your coziest self-care ritual. Until next time, stay soft, stay calm, and keep living your best 2025 soft girl life. Thanks for hanging out with me, babes. I hope you found a little inspiration to create your own cozy corner or indulge in a calming moment today. Make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment sharing your favorite soft girl habit, and subscribe for more girly FaceTime vibes. Every week, stay calm, stay cute, and keep sparkling. Okay, besties, that's a wrap on today's ASMR and soft girl chat. If you love this vibe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite cozy activity, and subscribe to join our little chill corner online. Remember, little moments of calm go a long way, so take care of yourself and sprinkle a little softness into your day. Thank you so much for chilling with me today. I hope you feel inspired to slow down, enjoy some ASMR, and embrace all the cute, cozy little things in life. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more soft girl vibes and lifestyle chats. Sending you all calm, cozy, and cute energy, besties. And that's a wrap, babes. Don't forget to treat yourself to a little calm, whether it's journaling, ASMR, or just sipping your favorite drink. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing your thoughts and seeing you join our cozy corner of the internet. Stay soft, stay happy, and keep creating your little pockets of peace every day.